Welcome to Kotler and Keller's Marketing Management, Chapter 13, Setting Product Strategy. Let's get started. Learning objectives. What are the characteristics of products and how do marketers classify product? How can companies differentiate products? Why is product design important and what are the different approaches taken? How can marketers best manage luxury brands? What environmental issues must marketers consider in their product strategies? And finally, how can a company build and manage its product mix and product lines? How can companies combine products to create strong co-brands or ingredient brands? And how can companies use packaging, labeling, warranties, and guarantees as marketing tools? Many people think a product is tangible, but this definition suggests otherwise. A product is anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a want or need, including physical goods, services, experiences, events, persons, places, properties, organizations, information, and ideas. Marketing planning begins with formulating an offering to meet target customers' needs or wants. The customer will judge the offering on three basic elements: product features and quality, service mix and quality, and price. In planning its market offering, the marketer needs to address 5 product levels, as in Figure 13.2. Each level adds more customer value, and together the 5 constitute a customer value hierarchy. These are: the functional level is the core benefit, the service or benefit the customer is really buying. At the second level, the marketer must turn the core benefit into a basic product. At the third level, the marketer prepares an expected product, a set of attributes and conditions buyers normally expect when they purchase the product. At the fourth level, the marketer prepares an augmented product that exceeds customer expectations. And at the fifth level stands the potential product, which encompasses all the possible augmentations and transformations the product or offering might undergo in the future. Marketers classify products on the basis of durability, tangibility, and use, both consumer or industrial. Each type has an appropriate marketing mix strategy. Products fall into 3 groups according to durability and tangibility. Number 1, non-durable goods are tangible goods normally consumed in one or a few uses, such as beer and shampoo. Because these goods are purchased frequently, the appropriate strategy is to make them available in many locations, change only a small markup, and advertise heavily to induce trial and build preference. Number 2, durable goods are tangible goods that normally survive many uses, such as refrigerators, machine tools, and clothing. Number 3, services are intangible, inseparable, variable, and perishable products that normally require more quality control, supplier credibility, and adaptability. When we classify the vast array of consumer goods on the basis of shopping habits, we distinguish among convenience, shopping, specialty, and unsought goods. The consumer usually purchases convenience goods frequently, immediately, and with minimal effort. Examples include soft drinks, soaps, and newspapers. Staples are convenience goods consumers purchase on a regular basis. Shopping goods are those the consumer characteristically compares on such basis as suitability, quality, price, and style. Examples include furniture, clothing, and major appliances. Specialty goods have unique characteristics or brand identification for which enough buyers are willing to make a special purchasing effort. And unsought goods are those the consumer doesn't know about or normally think of buying, such as smoke detectors. We classify industrial goods in terms of their relative cost and the way they enter the production process. Materials and parts, capital items, and supplies and business services. Materials and parts are goods that enter the manufacturer's product completely. They fall into 2 classes: raw materials and manufactured materials and parts. Raw materials in turn fall into 2 major groups: farm products and natural products. Manufactured materials and parts fall into 2 categories: component materials and component parts. Capital items are long-lasting goods that facilitate developing or managing the finished product. They also fall into two groups: installations and equipment. Installations consists of buildings and heavy equipment. Supplies and business services are short-term goods and services that facilitate developing or managing the finished product. Supplies are of two kinds: maintenance and repair items and operating supplies. Together, they go under the name of MRO goods. Many products can be differentiated in form, the size, shape, or physical structure of a product. Features: most products can be offered with varying features that supplement their basic function. Performance quality: most products occupy one of four performance levels: low, average, high, or superior. Performance quality is the level at which the product's primary characteristics operate. Conformance quality: buyers expect a high conformance quality, the degree to which all produced units are identical and meet promised specifications. Durability: a measure of the product's expected operating life under natural or stressful conditions, is a valued attribute for vehicles, kitchen appliances, and other durable goods. Reliability: buyers normally will pay a premium for more reliable products. Reliability is a measure of the probability that a product will not malfunction or fail within a specified time period. Repairability: this measures the ease of fixing a product when it malfunctions or fails. Style: describes the product's look and feel to the buyer and creates distinctiveness that is hard to copy. And customization: customized products and marketing allow firms to be highly relevant and differentiating by finding out exactly what a person wants and doesn't want, and delivering on that. The main service differentiators are ordering ease, delivery, installation, customer training, customer consulting, maintenance and repair, and returns. Ordering ease describes how easy it is for the customer to place an order with the company. Delivery: this refers to how well the product or service is brought to the customer, including speed and accuracy. Installation: this refers to the work done to make a product operational in its planned location. Customer training: this helps the customer's employees use the vendor's equipment properly and efficiently. Customer consulting: this includes data, information systems, and advice services the seller offers to buyers. Maintenance and repair: these are programs that help customers keep purchased products in good working order. These services are critical in business-to-business meetings. Returns: a nuisance to customers, manufacturers, retailers, and distributors alike. Product returns are also an unavoidable reality of doing business, especially in online purchases. With improved handling or storage, better packaging, and improved transportation and forward logistics by the seller or its supply chain partners. As competition intensifies, design offers a potent way to differentiate and position a company's products and services. Design offers functional and aesthetic benefits and appeals to both our rational and emotional sides. Design is often an important aspect of luxury products, though these products also face some unique issues. They are perhaps one of the purest examples of the role of branding, because a brand and its image are often key competitive advantages that create enormous value and wealth. A luxury shopper must feel he or she is getting something truly special. Thus, the common denominators of luxury brands are quality and uniqueness. Marketing luxury brands. Here's the guidelines for marketing luxury brands. Number 1, maintaining a premium image is crucial. Number 2, luxury branding typically includes the creation of many intangible brand associations. Number 3, all aspects of the marketing program for luxury brands must be aligned to ensure high-quality products and services and pleasurable purchases. Number 4, besides brand names, other brand elements like logos and symbols and packaging can be important drivers of brand equity for luxury products. Number 5, secondary associations from linked personalities, events, countries, and other entities can boost luxury brand equity. Number 6, luxury brands must carefully control distribution. Number 7, luxury brands must employ a premium pricing strategy with strong quality cues and few discounts. Number 8, brand architecture for luxury brands must be managed very carefully. Number 9, competition for luxury brands must be defined broadly. And number 10, luxury brands must legally protect all trademarks and combat counterfeits. Many firms are considering ways to reduce the negative environmental consequences of conducting business, and some are changing the manufacture of their products or the ingredients that go into them. The product hierarchy stretches from basic needs to particular items that satisfy the needs. We can identify 6 levels of the product hierarchy, using life insurance as an example. Number 1, need family, the core need that underlies the existence of a product family, like example would be security. Number 2, product family, all the product classes that can satisfy a core need with reasonable effectiveness. Number 3, product class, a group of products within the product family recognized as having a certain functional coherence, also known as a product category. Number 4, product line, a group of products within a product class that are closely related because they perform a similar function, are sold to the same customer groups, are marketed the same way, or fall within given price ranges. Number 5, product type, a group of items within a product line that share one of several possible forms of the product. And number 6, the item, also called stock keeping unit or product variant, a distinct unit within a brand or product line distinguishable by size, price, appearance, or some other attribute. A product system is a group of diverse but related items that function in a compatible manner. A product mix, also known as product assortment, is a set of all products and items a particular seller offers for sale. A product mix consists of various product lines. A company's product mix has a certain width, length, depth, and consistency. The width of a product mix refers to how many different product lines the company has. The length of a product mix refers to the total number of items that are in that mix. The depth of a product mix refers to how many variants are offered of each product in the line. The consistency of the product mix describes how closely related the various product lines are in end use, production requirements, distribution channels, or some other way. In offering a product line, companies normally develop a basic platform and modules that can be added to meet different customer requirements and lower production costs. Product line managers need to know the sales and profits of each item in their line to determine which items to build, maintain, harvest, or divest. Figure 13.3 shows a sales and profit report for a 5-item product line. The first item accounts for 50% of the total sales and 30% of the total profits. The first 2 items account for 80% of the total sales and 60% of the total profits. If these 2 items were suddenly hurt by a competitor, the line's sales and profitability would collapse. These items must be carefully protected. The product line manager must review how the line is positioned against competitors' lines. Consider paper company X with a paperboard product line. 2 paperboard attributes are weight and finish quality. Paper is usually offered at standard levels of 90, 120, 150, and 180 weights. Finish quality is offered at low, medium, and high levels. The product map in Figure 13.4 shows the location of the various product line items of Company X and 4 competitors, A, B, C, and D. Competitor A sells 2 product items in the extra high weight class ranging from medium to low finish quality. Competitor B sells 4 items that vary in weight and finish quality. Competitor C sells 3 items in which the greater the weight, the greater the finish quality. And finally, competitor D sells 3 items, all lightweight, but varying in finish quality. Company X offers 3 items that vary in weight and finish quality. The product map also shows which competitors' items are competing against Company X's items. Another benefit of product mapping is that it identifies market segments. Figure 13.4 shows the types of paper by weight and quality preferred by the general printing industry, the point-of-purchase display industry, and the office supply industry. Product lines tend to lengthen over time. Excess manufacturing capacity puts pressure on the product line manager to develop new items. A company lengthens its product line in two ways: line stretching and line filling. Line stretching occurs when a company lengthens its product line beyond its current range, whether down market, up market, or both ways. Down market stretch. A company positioned in the middle market may want to introduce a lower priced line. Up market stretch. Companies may wish to enter the high end of the market to achieve more growth, realize higher margins, or simply position themselves as full line manufacturers. Two-way stretch. Companies serving the middle market might stretch their line in both directions. Line filling. A firm can also lengthen its product line by adding more items within the present range. Motives for line filling include reaching for incremental profits, satisfying dealers who complain about lost sales because of items missing from the line, utilizing excess capacity, trying to become the leading full-line company, and plugging holes to keep out competitors. Line modernization, featuring and pruning product lines, regularly need to be modernized. The product line manager typically selects one or a few items in the line to feature. Using sales and cost analysis, product line managers must periodically review the line for dead wood that depresses profits. We can distinguish 6 situations calling for product mix pricing: product line pricing, optional feature pricing, captive product pricing, two-part pricing, byproduct pricing, and product bundling pricing. Product line pricing companies normally develop product lines rather than single products so they can introduce price steps. We can distinguish 6 situations calling for product mix pricing: product line pricing, optional feature pricing, captive product pricing, two-part pricing, byproduct pricing, and product bundling pricing. Product line pricing. Companies normally develop product lines rather than single products so they can introduce price steps. Optional feature pricing. Many companies offer optional products, features, and services with their main product. Captive product pricing. Some products require the use of ancillary or captive products. Two-part pricing. Service firms engage in two-part pricing consisting of a fixed fee plus a variable usage fee. Byproduct pricing. The production of certain goods like meats, petroleum products, and other chemicals often yields byproducts that should be priced on their value. Product bundling pricing. Sellers often bundle products and features. Pure bundling. This occurs when a firm offers its products only as a bundle. In mixed bundling, the seller offers goods both individually and in bundles, normally charging less for the bundle than if the items were purchased separately. Marketers often combine their products with products from other companies in various ways. In co-branding, also called dual branding or brand bundling, 2 or more well-known brands are combined into a joint product or marketed together in some way. One form of co-branding is same company co-branding, as when General Mills advertises Trix cereal and Yoplait yogurt. Another form is joint venture co-branding, such as General Electric and Hitachi light bulbs in Japan, or the Citi Platinum Select AA Advantage Visa Signature credit card, in which 3 different parties are involved. There is multiple sponsor co-branding, such as Taligent, a one-time technological alliance of Apple, IBM, and Motorola. Finally, there is retail co-branding, in which 2 retail establishments use the same location to optimize space and profits. For host products whose brands are not that strong, ingredient brands can provide differentiation and important signals of quality. An interesting take on ingredient branding is self-branding ingredients that companies advertise and even trademark. Packaging is important because it is the buyer's first encounter with the product. A good package draws the consumer in and encourages product choice. In effect, it can act as a 5-second commercial for the product. It also affects consumers' later product experiences when they open it and they see what's inside. Several factors contribute to the growing use of packaging as a marketing tool. Self-service. In an average supermarket, which may stock 15,000 items, the typical shopper passes some 300 products per minute. Given that 50% to 70% of all purchases are made in the store, the effective package must perform many sales tasks. Attract attention, describe the product's features, create consumer confidence, and make a favorable overall impression. Consumer affluence. Rising affluence means consumers are willing to pay a little more for the convenience, appearance, dependability, and prestige of better packages. Company and brand image. Packages contribute to instant recognition of the company or brand. In the store, they can create a billboard effect, as Garnier Fructis does with its bright green packaging in the hair care aisle. Innovation opportunity. Unique or innovative packaging can bring big benefits to consumers and profits to producers. Companies are always looking for a way to make their products more convenient and easier to use, often charging a premium when they do that. Formally, packaging must achieve a number of objectives that are listed on this slide. To achieve these objectives and satisfy consumer desires, marketers must choose the functional and aesthetic components of packaging correctly. Color is a particularly important aspect of packaging and carries different meanings in different cultures and market segments. Color can define a brand, from Tiffany's blue box to Cadbury's purple wrapping and UPS's brown trucks. Orange, the telecom mobile operator, uses color as both its name and its look. Table 13.3 summarizes the beliefs of some visual marketing experts about the role of color in Western culture. A label performs several functions. First, it identifies the product or brand, for instance, the name Sunkist stamped on oranges. It might also grade the product. Canned peaches are grade labeled A, B, and C. The label might describe the product, who made it, where and when, what it contains, how it's to be used, and how to use it safely. Finally, the label might promote the product through attractive graphics. All sellers are legally responsible for fulfilling a buyer's normal or reasonable expectations. Products under warranty can be returned to the manufacturer or designated repair center for repair, replacement, or refund. Whether expressed or implied, warranties are legally enforceable. Many sellers offer either general or specific guarantees. Guarantees reduce the buyer's perceived risk. They suggest that the product is of high quality and the company and its service performance are dependable. They can be especially helpful when the company or product is not well known or when the product's quality is superior to that of competitors. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other videos in this marketing series. Thanks again.